Ever seen videos with smooth zoom, dynamic movement, and professional feel? The secret is this one feature, keyframes. If you don't understand keyframes yet, your edits might feel flat and less engaging. In this video, we'll learn basic keyframes in CapCut Desktop from scratch. Hi, welcome back to the CapCut Desktop tutorial for beginners. Let's get started. First, make sure you've already imported your photo or video into the timeline. Then click on the media and look at the transform panel. On the left side, you will see a point called Add Keyframe. This point is used to add keyframes to your media. When you activate keyframes in the transform panel, it will automatically apply to scale, position, and rotate. You can also adjust them individually if needed. Now, let's apply it on scale. Add keyframes at the beginning, the middle, and the end. Set beginning 200%, middle 100%, and 200%. Then press play or hit space to preview. Next, let's try position. First, click Reset. Add 2 keyframes at start and the end of clip. At start, move the video to the up, and at the end, move it down. Then press play to see the movement. Now for rotate. Reset again, then add 2 keyframes like before. At the start, 0 degrees, and at the end, 360 degrees. Play the video to see the result. You can also combine scale, position, and rotation to create more dynamic and professional-looking edits. Great job! Now you understand basic keyframes in CapCut Desktop. In the next video, we will explore other important tools in the basic video panel. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.